Right. I found the problem that everybody get confused. This is from the long quiz 2. Well, meron request for explaining paano nakukuha or paano nakuha yung answer for this specific problem. So, start. Let's go. So this was the problem, and if you are taking the exam, I'd like you to focus on the problem given. Itong part na to dito is just a note that we should be reminded of what is the definition of an angle bisector. All right? So let's head on. First, I will change muna yung I will change the ink para makita talaga. Ayan. First, let's understand the problem. We have this triangle COM. So this figure is triangle COM from vertex C to O to M. Okay, so this is the triangle COM. And there's a line that bisects this angle C, which we call an angle bisector CD. If we have an angle bisector, it creates two equal or congruent angles. If we have this angle C, magkakaroon po ng dalawang congruent or equal angles. Now, let's say if angle C is 50, okay, so the entire angle is 50 degrees. Now, since na-bisect itong angle, therefore, nagkaroon ng dalawang angles. So, this angle here is 25 and this angle here is 25. So, if i-combine natin itong dalawang congruent angles, we'll get the entire angle C. Okay? Sandali. Ayan. Now, the question here is, the problem is telling you to find the x and the measure of MCD. Where is angle MCD? Angle, angle, angle MCD is ito po, no? From vertex M to vertex C to this. Ayan. So this is our angle MCD. Ayan. Now, let's be reminded on how to name an angle. For example, if we have this angle MCD, this angle can be named as angle MCD or angle DCM or angle C. No? We have three ways on how to name this. Pero pag may value to dito, let's say angle X, this can also be named as angle X. So we have four ways to name this specific angle. Ayan. Now let's head on to the discussion. First, i-label muna natin yung triangle natin para hindi tayo mawala. Okay. Sa angle C, our angle C is 2x plus 40. Our angle O is angle x plus 22. And our angle 8 is 88. Now, our first task is to find the value of x. How to find the value of x, given that we have these expressions and the value. Now, first, let's have to note that when we have a triangle, the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is always 180 degrees. Now, we can generate an equation with this idea, saying that if we will add angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, it will give us 180 degrees. Now, let's position lahat ng given dito sa ating parang main equation. Now, what is our angle 1? Maybe our angle 1 is angle C na lang, okay? Our angle 1 or angle C is 2x plus 40. What is our angle 2? Our angle 2 is x plus 22 na lang. Yeah. And our angle 3 is 88. And when we added these three, I mean, angles, it should give us 180. Now, after having this equation, anong gagawin? Di ba we combine like terms. So let's start with terms with variable. Now, 2x plus x. What is that? And if we add 40 plus 22 plus 88, what is the sum of that three values? Equals 180. Again, let's add on here. 2x plus x is 3x. 40 plus 22 plus 88 is, anong sagot? It's 150, alright. It's 150. Now, copy lang natin si 180. Now, after having this, no, we are to move 150 on the other end. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 3x, 180. When we transposed, anong sign? It will be changed, no, to negative 150 again. 180 minus 150, it's 30. So, we have 3x over here. Now, to isolate x, what shall we do? We divide both sides by 3 to cancel out 3. So our x is 10. Ayan. Ayan. Gets na. Ayan. Now we found x. Our x is just 10. After getting x, obtaining x, we shall find the value for angle C. Okay? The angle C here is 2x. By the way, this is the measurement for angle C is 2x plus 40. Now, 2 times 10 plus 40. What is 2 times 10? It's 20 plus 40. Anong sagot? It's just the measurement of angle C is 60. Pero yan ba yung hinahanap? Si angle C ba ang hinahanap? No. We are getting or we shall find the measurement of angle, saan na to? Of angle MCD. Ito, ano yun, ano daw yung degree niyan? So, if the entire angle is 60, then what is the half of it? So, it's just 30 degrees. Dito naman, it's also 30 degrees. So, 30 plus 30, that will give us angle C. Pero, we found that the measurement of angle MCD is just 30 degrees. Ayan. Box it para makita ni teacher. Ayan, that's it. So, I hope na-answer na lahat ng frustration nyo and practice pa sa mga, ano, practice exercises nun sa book. That's it.